All right, so here we are, day 2 of e-learning. I hope today goes better for all of us. I know some of you may have been without power yesterday, and that's a scary thing with it being so cold. And I personally was without internet pretty much all day. It crashed while I was sending yesterday's e-learning, so I apologize that it wasn't quite done when it crashed. And so what I had done was what went out. So if you have any questions about anything from yesterday, please just email me and let me know. All right, so today's e-learning, this is Thursday, January 31st. Start by doing your pun on your piece of paper. All right, so the function of a bulletproof vest. So what element might answer that, sound like that? The purpose or the function of a bulletproof vest. Big clue is that it is in the actinide series. So you will not be writing the group or period number, you will write actinide series. So look through the actinide series. When you think you have your answer, write the element name, then the symbol, then the atomic number, and then the atomic mass, and then underneath that write actinide series, and then you'll be all done. All right, good luck on finding that one. It's one of my favorites. When you have that done, I want you to do all of page 111 in Notability. So that's a study guide page, since we are at the end of chapter 3. So that's a study guide page. You'll fill in the blank for 1 through 5. Just write your answer on the Notability page. Then you have to create the concept map and fill in the blanks using the terms that you find on page 110. All right, you must use the terms from 110. Don't use any other terms. You'll find everything you need there. I will tell you that there's a practice one of those. There's a practice, okay. There's a practice concept map in your textbook, and I'm gonna push it out as an assignment. You don't have to do it, but you can do it because it looks just like the one in your book, and you can practice. You move them and put them in place, so you could practice it before you try to do the one for your assignment. Okay, submit that page 111. When you have that done, submit the whole thing back to the e-backpack post, and I'll be grading that. So submit that one for a grade. Your homework, then get started on your homework. Page 112, 1 through 9 is multiple choice, so just write your answers A, B, C, or D. Page 113, question number 19, there are 2 parts, A and B. You have to show all work to get all your points. By the way, your homework needs to be on paper. Don't do it in Notability and do not submit it to e-backpack. Do it on paper, right? So on page 113, that is the equation we've been doing. It's circumference. C equals 2 pi r. So we've practiced that, so you should be able to apply it. We've done a few of those equations. So, and then question B, you need to answer in complete sentences. They're asking you about making an inference. So, and then pages 114 to 115, you're going to do all of them this time. So 1 through 14, do them all. Now, 11, 12, 13, and 14 need to be written in complete sentences. The multiple choice ones, you just have to write A, B, C, or D. All right? We are at the end of a chapter, so that means I'm going to be assigning Learn Smart for chapter 3. If you have time to get started on it, I highly recommend you go ahead and get started on it, because I'm looking ahead thinking we'll probably have that due next Tuesday. So you've got the time. Get that taken care of, get it done. I'll probably run the report at the end of the day on Tuesday of next week. So Learn Smart Chapter 3, get rolling on it if you haven't already, because you can be doing that as you read the chapter. You can do those. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Have a great day. Stay safe. And please, please, please do your e-learning. Get it done so we don't get behind.